In this tutorial, I'll share an abstract art creation idea. This one's a bit weird, because I couldn't replicate what I have created on the practice run. I'll show you how the meshes were created from scratch, and go to the practice run save file to share the setting information. Let's create a plane. Ctrl+3 to subdivide. Right-click and shade smooth to smooth the surface. Let's solidify the mesh. Let's press Shift+A to create a curve spiral. If you don't see that in the menu, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. Please match my settings. We need to bend this curve 180 degrees. I added array and curve modifiers to the plane mesh. If I decrease the size of the plane mesh, then we'll see a cool set of the meshes. I'll add a golden material. On the practice run, when I scaled the size of the plane mesh, I could get this result. When I tried to do the same while recording a tutorial, that didn't work for some reason. Here are the transform values for the plane mesh. There's a random rotation added to the original mesh, and its scale is set to 0.1. I have pressed Ctrl+A to reset all transforms. Here are the transform settings for the curve spiral. Notice the curve was scaled. Here are the modifier settings. The array and the curve modifiers are at the top of the list. Here are the rest. I have added the subsurf and the solidify modifiers. It seems this illusion only works when a certain transform and modifier values are used, and it's very difficult to replicate. I have added a sphere, and scaled it to block the environment light. After that I have added 2-point lights with red and yellow colors. I have used the Cycles render engine to render the scene with low samples. Please let me know in the comments if you were able to replicate this. This was the render result. I have used 16 samples, and the denoise nodes were used. The yellow point light was placed at the center and the red point light was placed behind the camera. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.